How to buy USDT on Binance P2P using mobile money and avoid P2P scammers. I'm going to take you step-by-step guide. Make sure that you don't miss even a single step of this video because each part of this video is helpful. Now, as you are getting started, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, log into your Binance account, and right here, if you are on the Binance Lite page, make sure that you switch to Binance Pro. And how to do that? You press right here on the corner and then press on Binance Pro right here. That is how to switch to the Binance Pro. I'm pretty sure most of you are on this page. This is your Binance homepage. I had to show you the first step because there are some people who have just registered Binance, they never used it, they don't even know how to switch on Binance Pro. After switching to Binance Pro, go ahead and press on Add Funds. Now press on P2P trading. After pressing on P2P trading, they are going to bring you to this page. You can see right here there is buy and sell. Always make sure that it is in buy, not sell. If you are going to buy, if you are selling, it's okay, it can be in sell. So right here we are on buy. The first thing you're going to do after reaching this P2P page is to press right here on payment. After pressing on payment, we have a lot of payment methods here: bank transfer, Equity Bank, Momo, Eco Bank, Airtel Money, Cheaper Cash, Airtel Money, mobile top up. But today I'm going to use Airtel Money. We also have M10 mobile money here, but I'm going to use Airtel Money. So switch to that payment method you want to use to buy USDT. After, press on confirm. So once you press on confirm, of course, automatically Binance is going to bring you those merchants that allow your payment method on top. So another shortcut we are going to make, to press right here on amount. So enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you're going to use to buy USDT. For example, I'm going to buy USDT for 34k Ugandan shillings. After entering the amount, press on confirm. After confirming, Binance automatically is going to bring you those merchants that allow the limit of the money you're going to use to buy, because each of them has the limit, as you can see right there. So you can see right here there is the amount I'm going to use plus the payment method. No need to scroll around looking for those merchants who allow my payment method and the limit of the money I want to use to buy USDT. After doing that, of course, you can just press on buy on the first trader. But before you always place an order on Binance, always make sure that you read the advertiser's info, the information of the merchant you're going to buy USDT from. It is right here. Now this one is saying, please make an order if you are ready to initiate a withdrawal due to reversals faced from direct deposits. He's saying that if you had sent him the money, don't place an order because he wants to withdraw direct from your Airtel Money. So he is a mobile money agent, and he's saying that most of the times people make reversals after depositing the money. So also this one, Binance is against it. These mobile money agents are running their mobile money business right here, and Binance doesn't allow it. So if you face issues from this, Binance is not going to help you. Be aware of that. Though if you want to buy from them, you can buy from them, but it's better to look for those always who allows you to send money from your account. Those ones who allows you to send money from your account, not those who want to withdraw direct from your account. Also, when you withdraw direct from, when they withdraw direct from your account, you're going to face some extra charges. For example, you have to pay the withdrawal fees plus the tax. whereby most of the times they are costing you much. So go back again and look for another trader who will allow you to send money to them, not them withdrawing directly from your account. Let's try this one. After going to the advertiser's info also, you can see he said I only do withdrawals from Airtel. You understand? So let's go back and look for those who will allow us to send money to them, not withdrawing from our account. Now let's try this one right here. Press on buy. Once you press on buy, you can see this one right here says that deposit only, no withdrawals. Don't use third-party payments. Always make sure that you use that payment you registered on Binance with those right names you registered on Binance. Don't use third-party payments. You can see right here is the amount you're going to use to buy USDT. If you need to edit to add on more, you can do so. And you can see the payment method is Airtel Money, and of course they are showing you the amount of USDT you're going to receive, and it is 9.04 USDT. Go ahead and press order if you meet the advertiser's requirement. Do not click transferred, notify the seller before sending your money. Make sure that you always read this information right here so that you understand very well. Now after pressing the order, you can see right here the amount you're going to pay, the full name of that person you're paying. So those are the names they are going to show you when you're paying using Airtel Money. The phone number, this is the number. I think this is the Airtel merchant code you're going to use to pay. And then your account name. Make sure that you use that number to pay that holds your account name. Always before doing anything at this page, go ahead and press on chat. You can take a look right here. Don't click transfer, notify the seller. Always make sure that you read what is on this page before submitting anything. You can see she's telling you that Airtel merchant dial *185*9# and then put the merchant code right here, and they are telling you the names, so make sure that you follow that. After reading, you can go back right here, and she has sent me hi right here, but I need to first make a payment and then I respond to her. You can go right here, go ahead and copy the merchant code right here, the one you're seeing as phone number. Copy it right here. So right here is the message, and I have to take a screenshot of it. After taking the screenshot, you're going to upload it to Binance to confirm that you have sent the money. Now come right here and then press on upload payment proof, and then press right here to upload the image. Here, after uploading the image, I have to tick this one. I have made the transfer with my own payment account under the name of this one. So I'm pressing on transferred, notify the seller. After doing that, make sure that you press on transferred, notify the seller. So right here is the payment proof. So I'm done making a payment. I'm waiting for her, and you can see right here she's online. I'm waiting for her to release my crypto. So you can take a look right here. I'm done with buying the USDT. Follow those steps also to buy USDT on Binance. You can go ahead and leave a review if you found that merchant good. You can leave a positive review, for example, like the way I've done, and then leave a comment. That is how you can buy USDT on Binance.